Mwancho mulio Ndizi and sovereign yoncinga chingo kwariania semesa ya mangana maya karochara Chinsa Ikomi no wasemerikwana ni ganda koli merobelio ne meyandi Steven Robwan Sumugusi kotian kwariania se Chinsa Ikomi ndobe na inche ngumanyali ndete kwateka imena isiku ya Gusii abune chingongo nyechense irianyi moja sugusu amo na busongo na kwari nikianage Ikomi karto kwata na chosho to kurwa senseme choj nikibati ne meli ye chivichamo na maliogi ekarongote na bono ikaransu ikirinde uramanye na ndete gwateka senchera yoko ya chute kyara mange yoko nyarage korage seyemo ya abono marogoba igo ngoira nanda seka kirebosyo ningoma ina ndete gwateka imenesiko ya Gusii. Asoko ya chake banoti katunya chake ekero ense ya Kenya ndete kwarian go chia soko jengera litukoria masucha day yera jigo jengerwa nene ase county ya Kericho ni gobona banyangongo ane banyarire bagweso kinawate abuna na barabuni go batigure maega ase go ikabona bataranyorwa ase mire banyarire bagokorera ense ya Kenya mugako yo moyo lengo moni acho gikorwa sensemo ya liangombe enene egotoka se ebunge ya Nyaribali chache ni gobono aderuna nerebu yabanyare bakunyorwa egekogera nigo bareterete Kenya ligena lietabu ekerobanyare de bakuminyoka asamatuko amayo aderuna abanyango manyare bakunyorwa asinze ya Kenya nigera ebuya anene keroli tukirira beri gochengerwa lituko lyokuria abanyangongo gosirimanyikante na masucha day edoberigo ochengerwa alias county ya Kericho.
This was January 1956. Ikiwa school kaje chuo keseni kasukomira chuo keseni engaki ya marehemu Musa Nyandusi ali moyo aina jagde chuo keseni kamnyoka na mnyokile Gusii na mnyoke Kisumu eliona kumnyoka mali 3 na mali 6 bono nganda Kisumu tukamnyoka ngachanga sababu echa Kenya kwa sawa 26 miles elikaziwa hapo 26 miles aboniga tinda watu kwa bako mnumu yokinanche asumasucha na nje mbwe tokanyo tonyo hapo koni ikiabali miaka mbwate yokoyo kabisa boniga ntamina moja iganyo mwaka 1942 lakini yase kibande endi gete 47 na yinyu woire ino mogano omokena ruro gochase SSK yetu simbarati egabana yetu ya Kenya na
Tabai simbarati mugavana yetu Kisii ya serikali
yetu ya William Samuel Ruto banya gutonyora entu muna bamyoki bali bakale entu batubeke asobogi motore nyasa atara turangeria na entu tonyore ebiyo kuba sesa yetu bya gutusukiwo gimobo kiara emyaka yetu ya kirare
yamana mze
serikali ngendete kubika emirobelio ya bene kwene kibuna sensemo yende merongore ndwere eboigo emirobelio ya bene asoko bwaterana ngokorwere ase county ya Kisii bagokwana asiritiko lialero bakorawa no county commissioner we county ya Kisii Tom Anjere anekeranyara gako harigania omusangano bwabagambi korwa sebinyoro ao nabagwakiri gose nabali begereri boene gosaba abegereri beri chiko korwa se ebigambero awa korwa se county ya Kisii boiga asumoroberio yo osumusangano nyarwo ikeranwa no Mulanda Legislature we county ya Kisii asensemo yetisi nigobono babekire miroberio na kibarachi kogendereria emiroberio ase wisara yendemero ase county ya Kisii.
I may not want to go that direction. The only assurance I want to give you is that we have agreed to partner with the judiciary in initiating alternative dispute solutions in the county. We have agreed that the respective chiefs and assistant chiefs carry out a credible public participation so that we come up with a structure on how this alternative dispute resolution can be effectively implemented in the county. If we're able to sieve the sentiment, the feelings on how the structure can be put in place, that would be the best way forward.
And disputes, and people need to take those mechanisms rather than take the law into their hands. We have different kinds of disputes. We have boundary disputes. We have land where one person is claiming his title overlaps another title. We also have multiple titles on the same land. Land disputes are varied. So all those categories of disputes are there.
Tuende Kisii County ya Nyamira sene gojikoba omurai bwa bange asebunge ye county ya kupatikana nogo kwa eri yorengo mwemsiebwe wodi ya Nyamaya akerasirete nakoniwa hasebono ako choro gojikoira libaga eryo koba omurai bwa abange asebunge yo ya Nyamira kwana magega yogo chorwa nigalire eira yogo chikwene kibuna ebunge ye county Nyamira nkubwateranere kemagendero na kubeka emirubirira chukira na gosira county ya Nyamira omwe msio yo nigakurwa se wodi ya Mawawa karabono nere au chikwira libaga liericha onsimo
oisara sabuni party na koranga belnero isaine kwa yuwa o majority leader kurase party kwa kile party nkima ya UPA bya mona sencheri baga mwangeire erinde nyara gukora abantu banyamira egasi cyento ngotebeke nene tugani tyobomo ase county ya Nyamira more especially county assembly ya Nyamira kisegi cyaborro asenga kie kurmayaga bon no gotebanya sai na to gisemiro mongaini kisegi kikinyare kohera egende tugani tinobomo gukwanira na somo yobo bwororo tore tugenderi Nyamira yaito igongo boria abashimwa baito bonsipi moseneto minto ngo mogwimene repo ito aba MP bonsipi bane asiji constituency chitoinye naba MC bonsipi tobwatira nebono tutie kurutanira magana tutige kurutana magana torete tokonye county yaito tobwatsi umugavana erindanya nekoreta maendeleo
Ekero tutigarete asingane yo ya berimo sebona nyarire kako choro gochikobo omurai bwa banga sebunge ya Nyamira nigobono ekiama kia ayubie kia nyarire gekorwa roboti ruaye korengana nogo choru kwa sebono ba sirire engane ikubatkana neriyo kolia nyari gotumgo chia sejinyomba choboralia gwetera omori kyobotambe ase kiamekyo oyo chakubo barongo bagaka boigo ole omokonyi ebo monogeri bwebunge ye county ya Kisii nigaterna barabune kiama nigo basirire aper mokaya mose koba omurai bwabange ase ebunge ya Nyamira asimasemeredena nacho kore mirimo buya bunero bereire na gosira ekiama ekyo ase county ya Nyamira boigo na kwene kibuna amagendero ngokorekanara ase county ya Nyamira. Ekero tokosuka gochibosioni gotokoenda goikase county eri ya Nairobi asebono Edwin Sifuna oyoro muri kyomone ase kiama kia ODM nigo bananyadire gakoboria abasai wetoma na gosoka na koriye birogo byoborai mbako ganyabachikoego gakwana ase county Nairobi anenekero bekerana asomosangano bwabasai niga batebuna ereta chetiko ganya aiwe koba omori kyomone bwe kiama kikorende niga ganyete osiniga ligereti oyorareta ase krasi na koira libagerio.
I want to advise these young people that there is nobody who is going to invite you to do anything. There's a story that Jacob doesn't like me telling again about how he became Secretary General. There was somebody there and he was asleep. And I decided to go there and declare myself as the SG of the party. So, in these constituencies, you have seen people who have decided that they want to go. And you know for a fact that without ODM and without the support of Baba, they are not going to come back. What you should be doing now, because as the SG I'm seated there, you should be introducing me to the acting member of parliament for Langata. Who is there? Ako wapi? Senator Kisumu iko hapa? Yuko hapa? Hiyo ndio unatakana unasema. Unasema baba kama huyu mtu ameshindwa na kazi mimi niko wapi? Niko hapa. Sawa sawa. Jambo la pili. Your Excellency, as you are aware, we in the minority do not support the amendments to the standing orders that were brought to allow cabinet secretaries.
Asensema yaye muraibu kiama giodium nandoro muraibu mabwasimiro mojarera murodinga akaukwa na asumusangano yo bwabasayo yumagadana Young African Youth Aspirants or the Leaders Aspirant nigo wanateruna obu yabwechi county nigo bwatobosera asaderuna nigo asirete omoroberio yina kwena chi county ngoja jire asense ya Kenya ejibo igate yuna nchitakire go sirwa na koleta amagendro ange na sabantu.
What is a constitution? How does it affect you? How can you benefit from a good constitution? So there are these public forums which were held, chaired by Professor Guy and his team across the country. It is one that actually opened up the eyes of the people of Kenya. That's why Kenyans are the most conscious people who understand what a constitution is about. Then, after that, now we came up with the draft. But there are people who are opposing the structures that we are trying to introduce, particularly one, devolution. Devolution was opposed very seriously by the national government here. They don't want to let power go. But this devolution, I came about it when I was a shadow minister for local government. In those days, in parliament, you were the minister and you were the shadow in the opposition. So the shadow minister of local government. In that capacity, I went around the world. I went to Britain and looked at how their local government was working. England is a unitary system. Wales, they have a Wales Assembly. It's a devolved system. Scotland is a federal system.
Liberera litindi nigo liene kiwa gati ya abanyanyimbo amo numuraibo mabwasimiro moja na bande anekero raira na baraya bande bakoretaro yabo ikasensemeri ya mafuko county Machakos yanene kubatkana no tagura wenyomba kuriko gendete korekana asensemei nigo libera litindi liene kiwa anekera abanyanyimbo banyaraba kumutanga raira na baraya bugo tasoa ikasensemei tetoraranga ki exasa ikenyage kogendera asensemeyo ya mafuko.
I cannot. I cannot. Mheshimiwa knew what happened when he came last Sunday.
What happened?
He knows himself, he can tell you.
What happened? I came in and you refused me to talk to people?
You told yourself people chased you away.
How?
They told you leave us alone, we are peaceful, we don't require you at this hour. That's exactly what happened. Now if you come in big delegation like this, we can't, everything will go wrong there. And people are very, very peaceful.
Even us,
they want just assistance to be guided to remove their things.
Because we are also peaceful people. What we are saying is this, there's a middle ground. Just 1 minute.
The way you have formed yourselves up,
1 minute.
There is an indicator something will not be.
1 minute only, I want to explain.
Just listen to Prime Minister.
We are opposition leaders. We are the government. The government on one side, we are on this other side. You need to respect the opposition. We are not destructive people.
It is respected, Mheshimiwa. It's only that it's not timely.
Are our supporters.
It's not timely.
We want to just go.
What is the best time to come?
What's the best time to come?
What is the best time to come?
Until I complete the operation.
Ase jinga kieje joni gobono murai raira amorodinga nyairiga komoja serikali ya Kenya Kwanza yitine no murai bwense Dr. William Ruto anene asing korengana no botago bwendete asense ya mafuko korengana re ni gadena Ruto ni galita ba Kenya chira kabatebuna no enyomba chawanjiru jo tagurwa korende wikari chiguru chikobatiwa asaijanire ningekogera abamenyi bense ya mafuko bagendete ko yaitera ekero murai bwense aliretiringa ingani na tara kwanera ingani erigoika bono.
We are holding on to the promise Mr. William Ruto made during the campaigns that the forceful evictions and demolition of dwellings would be a thing of the past. It is a fact that in July 2022, during the launch of the Kenya Kwanza Manifesto, Ruto promised that he would put to an end the culture of illegal evictions of people and property demolition if elected president. He went on to promise that where necessary, affected people would be provided with enough notice and compensation promptly paid. Well, it is October 2023, and a human tragedy is unfolding before the eyes of Kenyans under Ruto's watch.
Goikawa no manchumure nango kora mangana itama ye Chinsa Ikomi konde nyoroki kora gense ya moya wan margoba no jikonyora yo mana manke bana gendere kwate kai minisco ya usino kubol wana genda ko tengera ndisti vinero bwansu mausi asemerubirito ya kirali tuko iwe fornio sana ndete kwerobelia achiko koyaletera yo asenjere bugirno ikora gense yemo ya bono margoba ngo tobote na chosho to yone kuna go cheire asenjira go se wetera se munwe manyelio ekero John kebatiane kuna go cheire asirio yemo nechibicha kuna botamberiane Brighton Makori.